response where you might play goes like this. Keep that going. Yeah. Give me a hand clap. Clap, 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 So everybody wants to see this world change, but we don't know where to start. If you want to see the world change, start inside your heart. Look inside your heart. Get inside your heart. Then a change will start. Then a change will start. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Now, if you want to make this world a better place, pick up any mirror and look in that face. If you want to know just where to start, follow your own beat. It leads you to your heart. You don't have to go around the world to change it. No one ever changed the world by going around it. Take a fresh approach. Look inside your heart. From that very moment, a real change will start. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Because people are making mad loot off the city more. Dressing up in gowns, going got more. Building toilets somewhere in the Philippines. Trying to save the world in some designer jeans. You can't save this world until you see. The very structure of our thoughts is the misery. You can't save this world until you see. The very structure of our mind is the misery. We're all insane, but real insanity is believing that this is reality. We're all insane, but real insanity is believing that this is the way it has to be. But it doesn't have to always be this way. A radical change can happen on this very day. We can see our values as they're upside down, ignoring worship as we follow a clown. Follow some clown. Follow some clown. Follow some clown. Follow some clown on TV. Follow some clown on radio. Follow some clown. Follow some clown. Now, it's fun to rhyme, but I might forget the meaning of what I'm trying to spit. So I'll slow it down. That way you'll hear the message very clear. The heart views the world through the lens of love. That lens of love can show us love can show us where our values should be. You know what I mean? So, everybody wants to change something. Everybody wants to change something. Step in your heart to change something. Step in your heart. Everybody's going to occupy. But start by occupying your heart. Start by occupying your heart. So I need some more help. Here's some new chant coming in. It says to occupy your heart. It's coming in right now. Occupy your heart. Occupy your heart. Occupy your heart now. Occupy your heart. Occupy your heart. Occupy your heart now. Occupy your heart. Occupy your heart. Occupy your heart now. Can you join me on that? Woo! Occupy your heart. Occupy your heart. Occupy your heart now. Occupy your heart. Occupy your heart. Occupy your heart now.